I'm lonely.
Lonely?
Yeah.
How?
Huh?
How?
I want a girl.
I got one.
Who?
I'm telling you.
I want to know who your girl is.
You'll find out sooner or later.
What are you looking for?
Nothing. Leave me alone.
Is it Sakura?
Fuck no.
Kitty!
Don't touch my pussy. So what do you want from me?
I know who I'm gonna go ask. I'm gonna ask someone. I can do this. Hinata? Hinata-chan? Man, she's a heavy sleeper. Hinata-chan! Oh! Ah!
What are you doing, Naruto? What do you want?
Will you go on a date? Whoops. Wanna go on a date with me today?
Date?
Yeah.
Me? You?
Yeah. Only me and you.
Yeah?
Cool. I'll pick you up in a half hour. Hey! Are you okay? Hinata!
I'm okay. I'm gonna get ready now.
Can I watch?
No, I gotta get undressed.
Fine! Fine! Okay. Hi!
What's up now?
So, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I guess.
Alright.
So where are we gonna go?
It's a surprise.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
So, is this gonna be a fun place?
Yep. It's gonna be fun, alright.
I hope.
We're almost there.
Alright.
Right there.
Oh.
That part.
Fun.
I know, isn't it gonna be a lot of fun? It's so romantic.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah!
So, what are we gonna do first? No, thank you. Are we having fun yet?
Come on, get on!
It's wet.
So?
I don't want to get wet.
Come on, Hinata!
Do you think this is for kids?
Kids! said this was for kids. Saskia told me it was for kids like our age. My butt wet?
A little.
Oh my god! It's wet!
For babies?
No, for Uzumaki. And my future Uzumaki. Sorry. Ooh, nice shoulder one. Wanna go somewhere else, huh?
Like where?
Oh, it's a surprise. Come on.
Will it be funner than this?
I don't know, maybe. But our viewers can't see where we're going until we get there.
Naruto, are you serious? We're gonna do this?
Yeah, we're gonna go on a pool.
Do you think it's a little too cold?
Nah, it's not cold. It's almost autumn, you know.
Didn't Sasuke need to fix this deck?
It's not gonna break.
Isn't it kind of wobbly?
No.
How about the railing?
I heard it correct.
Where are we going now?
You'll see.
I'm kind of sick of going places that aren't fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Naruto, where are we going? We're going in like a forest.
Yeah, you'll see. Don't go in there, you'll fall.
Oh, I guess. Why are we here?
Will you be my girlfriend? No, it's not a marriage ring. It's on her middle finger. So will you be my girlfriend?
Of course I will.
Hinata, you're blushing.
Sorry. It's kind of a habit.
Oh. Well, let's get out of here. The bugs are biting me.
Okay. Boyfriend.
Girlfriend.
Well, I had fun today.
Me too.
Well, I gotta go home.
You want to hang out some other time?
Yeah. Of course I do.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, girlfriend.
Bye, boyfriend.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, she's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. Back to the park.